Come on, keep going, Ryan.
Big boy, right? Go back up this way.
Come on, keep going. Okay, maybe Soyeon can help.
1, 2. Oh, okay. Keep pushing. Yeah, you got it. Big boy.
This is a long hill.
Oh,
Like a hill?
there we go. Let's keep going. Oh.
Watch your fingers. Keep them out of the way.
Oh, you got it. You see it's working out. Oh, apple.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
Okay. Can Alex do one?
Yeah, he first.
Okay, you have to push it all the way through.
Okay. Ready? Oh, there it is. Ready? You got it?
You got the that one. And then put that one on, and it's my turn. Then it's my turn.
Good now, yay.
Good job, Alex. High five.
Good job.
Alex, Daddy will high five you.
My turn.
Your turn? Okay, hang on a second.
He's still engineering here.
I'm doing
Isn't
it.
that cool?
He does it. He
I'm
did.
doing it.
You did
Put
it?
this one on. Put this one. You get
Yeah.
that
Oh,
off.
careful, Alex.
Okay,
No,
hold
no,
on,
no,
Ryan.
careful.
Be
It's
careful.
sharp.
You have to stand back
How do
until
you
we
get it
load
off,
it up, okay?
How you get it off?
How you get it off?
Okay, hang on.
Like, I'm doing that.
Yeah.
You
Oh,
guys
that's
can
on
watch how I
We're gonna watch.
Oh, no, goodness. Ryan, this is very complicated machinery here. I have to show you how to do this.
do. I can do it.
Okay. All right, ready? Let me load it on, and then you can do it.
Okay, I'm gonna look.
Okay, go.
Watch it. And then you just twirl it. You twirl.
You might be hungry now.
There you go, Ryan.
Oh.
Keep going. Come on.
A little bit help there, Uncle?
Oh, he wants you to help.
Daddy.
Or I can help too. I know.
Good job, Ryan. You did it. Great work.
Now, Alex is like, he's gonna do that one.
You might have to cut out some of that one.
You see that?
Look, now Alex
Isn't
is
that
turn.
fun? Isn't that fun?
Alex is turn. You can do this one. Alex is turn to do that one.
Keep them on string.
Alex,
The one long.
Alex to do this one.
Oh, Alex can do that one? Okay, hold on. Let Daddy put it back in.
No, Mama, you can get it.
Yeah?
Watch out, Ryan, please.
Yeah.
No,
I just did it, Mommy. I did it.
You're gonna do it? How are you gonna do it?
But now Alex's turn.
Okay.
Alex,
somebody's upset over here. Let me check her out for a second. Hi. Are you very upset?
Hi.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we'll be right back.
yeah.
Should we take the thing out or not?
I think it'll get it. Oh, yeah, it might stop it.
Am I stopping?
Hold on, Ryan.